Alright everybody, welcome back. Mike Cosmic Creations. I'm going to show you our newest lights that we're getting ready to add to the website. We've got to work on that this evening and start putting some of these into kits. I've already got one complete slingshot kit sold, and my slingshot's got to get these. I've got to tear everything off and redo everything. So these are the new no dots, or what we call COB. COB is nothing new. It's been out for 15 years, but they're just not getting into the addressable where it is affordable for the smaller guy. There's a lot of work that's been put into these. These are custom strips, and I'll show you a little bit about that here in a minute. But let me go ahead and turn these on. This is just with our simple Bluetooth controller. These are 720 LEDs. I'm sorry. Yeah, 720 total. 25 watts a meter, if I'm not mistaken. That's going to be at full brightness, like white. These are fully addressable, as you can see. We designed these flexible circuit boards and sent them out for production, for prototyping. And we went through those tests. We did about 3 different revisions. We do use a UV polymer in the top coat to prevent any yellowing. We use a 3M VHB adhesive on the backside, and that may change. It'll still be 3M, but we're going to use a different adhesive, a clear adhesive instead of the standard gray or charcoal adhesive. And this is just kind of going in auto mode right now, so you're going to see it go through different patterns that are pre-programmed into the controller itself. We got 4 different controllers. Got a Bluetooth, got an audio Bluetooth, got a 4-zone music or audio Bluetooth. We have an 8-zone audio Bluetooth, and the last 2, the 4-zone and the 8-zone, have full trigger supports for your brakes, your turn left and right, and your reverse. So all those can be integrated into the vehicle's harness, whether that's going to be an ATV, UTV, whether that's going to be a slingshot, car, truck, or whatnot. So it really won't matter. So these are really, really nice. I can tell you now, they don't get warm at all, which is really, really nice, being there's many LEDs as there are packed onto this board. Oh, there went my other roll. The other roll, for those wondering, are our smoked. So these are completely blacked out. And I'll pause the video and set this back up and show that to you in just a minute. But if you want the absolute brightest, then obviously the clear is going to give it to you. So there's no coating, no tinted coating on top. There's a coating. It is waterproof, by the way. Both these are waterproof. So that is a full length of strip. So 5 meters or roughly 16 and a half feet. You see no power loss at the end of the connection. These have a constant, I forget exactly the term for it, but it's basically the way the resistors and diodes are set up in place on the circuit board, that it will boost all the way to the end without having any significant voltage drop from the beginning of the strip all the way to the end of the strip. These can get cut, obviously, into different lengths to fit different applications, kind of like what we do already for the slingshot kits. And you'll see more of that here to come here in the very near future. New amplifiers are coming out. We've got those totally waterproof. Power harnesses are just off the chain right now. I've got so many orders for power harnesses, it's ridiculous. So building those quite a bit here lately. What else? Can't think of too much else. If you're interested, let me know. These will be sold in a full roll, and they will be sold as a full kit. So prices will be coming up on the website here soon. Just keep following, stay with me. I appreciate your patience. Other than that, I can't think of too much else, so I'll get ready to end it here. But like I said, I will pause the video. I'll set these strips back up on the bench and give you a off view with the lights off, so you can see what they look like, so you can make a determination of which one may be best for you. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll be right back. Alright, welcome back. So, as you can see, these are completely blacked out. And then your next strip, which will be the clear. And you can see how we have these custom made. We're the only ones to do this. So these are a custom circuit board that is completely blacked out with a clear layer, so that we can still get the blackout look, but we have maximum brightness. Okay, so there's no writing on our boards, there are no arrows, there's no indicators, there's no circuit numbers, no resistor values, none of that. And so what that allows us to have is a much cleaner looking strip. That we can do in a full blackout and be a lot brighter. You'll also notice there's no copper pads visible on this. Okay, they are available, just not from the front side. And we do this again to keep a much cleaner strip. And again, we're the first ones to bring this to you guys to make it a lot cleaner. We know a lot of you guys don't like some of the things that's on the strips because they're manufactured in China. And so we expect everybody else to kind of follow suit with this as it's catching on more and more. Anyway, thanks for watching. Again, check back on the website in the next day or two. I hope to have some prices up for you guys. And we will see you guys on the next video.